Hello and welcome to day 5 of our Plein de Vie challenge. I'm Hannah and today we are embracing an adventurous attitude. It's all about stepping out of our comfort zones, trying new things and embracing the excitement. We will be pushing our boundaries but always with a sense of playfulness and curiosity. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about the joy of learning and the fun of exploring new capabilities. Let's approach today's practice with an open mind and a daring spirit, ready to embark on this adventure. Let's get started and see where today's journey takes us.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by allow yourself to sit on the mat. You can cross your legs or you can open the knees hip width apart. If it feels easier for you to lengthen the spine and open the chest, pull the belly button in, relax your hands, relax your shoulders, and lengthen the spine. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Now pull the belly button in and hide the rib cage. Create a flat surface on your tummy, and that's how we engage the abs. Take a deep inhalation through the nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions and then reverse. Rotate your head around your neck and then reverse. Inhale halfway and exhale halfway. And one more round and then reverse. And back to the center. Open your arm to the side in a small circle. And then reverse. And bring your hands down. Shake your body a little bit. Allow yourself to sit along the mat. Open your arms, open your legs hip width apart, hands under your thighs, shoulders down, pull the belly button in. Now chin your chest, look to your belly button, round the spine to C curve. And then walk your hands towards the hips. Allow yourself to lie all the way down on your mat. Lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Curl your chest off the mat. Lengthen your arms and your legs to 45 degrees. And start to pump your arms. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. And exhale. And 7 more. Inhale. And exhale. And 5 more. And 4 more. 3. And 2 more, bigger range of motion. And last one. And bend the knees in and head down on the mat. Feel your whole body already warmed up. Inhale deeply through the nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. And we just complete the 100. Inhale, lengthen your legs all the way on your mat. Arms along the body. Pull the belly button all the way in. Lift your arms up, palms facing each other. Inhale and exhale, chin your chest. And use your abs to roll all the way to sitting position. Round the spine, reach your hands forward and come all the way back, shoulders down. And we're going to do it in a quicker motion. So round the spine, pull the belly button in and come all the way back. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3 down. And 1, 2, 3 up. And 1, 2, 3 down. 1, 2, 3 up.
And 1, 2, 3 down. Awesome. And come all the way back on the mat. And bend the knees in. Lengthen your legs up to the ceiling. Heels together, toes apart. Curl your chest up. Both hands on your right ankle, your left leg. Lengthen to 45 degree. Pull, pull, and switch. Pull, pull, and switch. And pull, pull, and switch. And pull, pull, and switch. Couple more times with your own breath. Try to pull even more. And 7. Pull, pull to the left. Open your elbows wide. Curl up even higher. 6. And 5. And 4. And 3 more times to the other side. And 2. And last one. And to the opposite side. And bend the knees all the way down. Open your arm to the side. Bring your leg to the left. Look to the right. Hold it here for a second. Take a deep breath. And to the opposite side. And do the same thing. Take a deep breath. And bring it back to the center. Stack your hand on top of each other. Bring it behind your head. Open your elbows wide. Curl your head even higher. Arms all the way in. Lengthen your legs up to the ceiling. Heels together, toes apart. Awesome. Now lower your legs to 45 degrees. And lift it up. And lower. And lift it up. And lower. And lift it up. And lower. And lift it up. And 6 more. And 5. Keep breathing. 4. 3. Arms in. Keep your back in neutral. 2. And last one. And bend the knees all the way, head down on the mat. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Awesome. Inhale. And exhale deeply. And again, bring your head from left to right, just to give yourself a little stretch. And back to the center. Alright. Now inhale. And stack your hands behind your head one more time. Lift your head higher. Open your elbows wide. Bring your right knee to the chest and lengthen your left leg 45 degrees to the center. Abs all the way in. Now open the elbows wider. Rotate and twist to the right. Reach and come back. Switch to the opposite side and speed up. Good. 8 more times. 7. As quick as you can. 6. Try to reach further. And 5. And 4. That's beautiful. And 3. And 2. Almost there. And last one. Get all the energy. And come all the way back. Hug your knees into your chest. Bring your head from left to right. And back to the center. Awesome. Now rock all the way up. Lengthen your legs. Or if it's easier for you to bend the knees, feel free to do that. But I want you to really lengthen, flex the ankle as much as you can. Lengthen the spine and sit tall. Open your arms to the front, palms facing down, shoulders down. Now pull the belly button in. You can open your legs tiny bit wider or all the way to the mat width if it feels easier for you. Pull the belly button in and round the spine to C curve. Now pull your shoulders down towards the belly. Move forward and come all the way back. And sit tall. Round the spine, chin to chest. Move forward. Abs in, keep the C curve. Come all the way back. Imagining that there's a hand behind your lower back here. You can pull the belly button all the way towards the back. Round the spine, move forward. And come all the way back. Good. And round and move forward. And come back, shoulders down. And 3 more. Awesome. Press your knees down. 2 more. Move forward, abs all the way and make it the abs movement. Last one. And come all the way back, hands down on the mat. Awesome. Shake your hips a little bit. Keep your feet to the center. Flip over to be on your belly. Awesome. All right. Hands next to your shoulders. Pull the belly button all the way in. If you can keep your feet together, feel free to do that. If not, you can gently open it wide. But squeeze your glutes, abs all the way in. Lift your belly button off the mat. Put your shoulders far away from the ears, lengthen the neck, and look down on the mat. Now inhale, lower your torso. Exhale, press your hands down to lift your torso, abs all the way in. And lower your torso. And press down to lift your torso up. Squeeze your glute. Awesome. And now lift it up. And when your torso down, bring your legs up. Legs down, torso up. Abs in, torso down, legs up. And a couple more times. You can even do a rocking here. Good, like a swan. Abs all the way in. And bring your torso back to rest pose. Round the spine, pull the belly button in, reach your hands forward. Abs all the way in, take a deep inhalation through the nose. Make sure that you reach your upper spine higher to the C curve. And walk your hands back to sit up on your heels. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Come all the way back for single leg kick. So, make a fist and keep your hands together. Lengthen the spine, pull the belly button all the way in. Legs together. Kick, kick, bend the knees. Kick your heels to the hips. Kick, kick, heel to the hips. And a couple more times. Abs all the way in, pull the belly button in. Good. And 5, 4, and 3. To the left. 2. Lengthen the neck. Shoulders down. Squeeze your glute. And bring your torso all the way down on the mat. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply. And exhale deeply. Rest pose. Good. Keep breathing round the spine. Pull the belly button all the way in. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright. And when you're ready, come to plank. Good. Inhale. Move your body forward and come back. Shoulders on top of the wrist. Forward and bring it back. And forward and bring it back. And now forward and bring it back. And forward, come back. And 4, and 3, 2, and last one. And bend the knees in. Round the spine. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Flip over. Good. Leg pull up. So, you can bring your hands behind your hips. Lengthen your legs. And bring your hips up. And if you feel like you have a sensitive wrist, you want to modify this, you bring your whole forearms down. Kick your hips up. Now, kick your leg up. 1, 2, come down. And 1, 2, come down. Lift up and down. And kick up and down. Or lengthen your arms. If you feel like you have strong wrist, kick up and down. And 2, come back. And 3 on the right leg. Left leg up and down. Left leg up again and down. And on the third, come back. We're gonna do the same to the right leg. 1 and 2 and 3. Stabilize your hips to the left. And 1 and 2 and 3. Anytime if you need a quick rest, sit down for a moment. And we're gonna pick the hips up, pike the hips up again. Do the same thing. Right leg up and down. And 1 and 2, come down. Lift up and down. And 2 and 1. And 3 more times on the right. 2 and 1. 3 more times on the left. 3 and 2 and 1. And bring the hips down. Hug your knees into the chest. Round the spine. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. Exhale deeply. Inhale and exhale. That's awesome. All right, you're gonna flip over again for rocking. Bend the knees in. Use your hand to hug your ankles or your feet or the top of the toes if that's the best you can do. It's totally fine, just listen to your body. Every body is different. Lift your legs up. Now use your legs to push and your hands to pull. Good. Lift up. Lift up. Hold it here for 3 ups in, 2, and 1. Bring your torso down. We're gonna do it one more time. Reach it up. Hold it here and come all the way back to rest pose. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale and exhale deeply. And walk your hand back to the knees. And sit down again. Awesome. Now we're gonna flip over. All right, let's come to some stretching before we complete the workout today. So you can bend the knees a little bit, or you can lengthen your legs all the way. Round the spine, move forward. Use your hand to grab your toes or your whole back of your feet. Try to press the knees down, lift your heels up if you can. Round the spine, you see curve. Your hands pull all the way, abs in, and come all the way back. Good. And now open your legs wide. Round the spine, move to the right. Hold it here for a couple seconds. Take a deep breath. And to the opposite side. And again, hold it here for a couple more seconds. Take a deep breath. And exhale deeply. And bring it back to the center. Take a deep inhalation through the nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Bend the knees in. And rotate the wrist. And reverse. Lengthen your arm to the side. Reach your hands to the sides. And back to the center. Inhale deeply. And exhale deeply. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know how you feel by commenting below. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm going to see you on the next day. Bye.